Hello, hi. Today we are going to import students in bulk. If you already have them in your in a CSV file, so it will not take any longer to import the students in a very short time. So if you go to the students management and import student, if you click on this link, so in the first instance you need to download the sample import file. This is the file which you need to download and fill in for the student information to import the students. So I already have a file, so I would like to go and I will import the students. So you need to select the class, select section, and then select the file. This is playgroup A and submit. So records found in CSV file total. These many students have been imported successfully. And if you check, these are the students. This one we added manually, and these students we imported from the system automatically. If this one is ABC and this one are AMSD. If you click on this one, so you can see the profile in the proper way. So the same, you can edit the student profile from here, and you can print the student profile from there. These are the student details you can print in a single one click. You can print for your office record, and you can even give it to the students as well. Furthermore, we are going to refine as per the institute's customization needs, and we will be happy to help in every sector. So that's how we are importing students in our system. If we check on our dashboard now, so before we had one student and now we got 12 students. That's all for today.